I have something new to announce that has just materialized in the back office of the Mighty Save Club. And it's good when we get new things, new opportunities, new tools, especially when it's training based. Because if you're joining as an affiliate, which most people that watch my videos here on YouTube have already done, then boy, let's get you a bunch of, for just $60, that's all it costs to be an affiliate. Let's get you an insane amount of new pictures to use every week that you can upload on any social media platform or send as an attachment, put on your Facebook page, print it out, put it in your pocket. But I'll tell you what, we have tons. We're going to have thousands of pictures all freshened up every Monday. That's our goal. Every Monday, a lot of new pictures, animated ones, GIFs, but video too. Video, in my opinion, is always going to be the most effective. If you're going to do one thing, I like doing videos like this, but if you don't want to, don't worry. We're going to make an insane amount of videos they promote Save Club, but they're neutral. It promotes the opportunity, but you just put your link. Hey, if you're interested, please click this link. And it'll go right where people can get more information or join. They're always going to get an email where they can join, just like you right now if you have not already. Okay, so anyway, let me just show you what I'm talking about. If you've already joined, get excited. I'm going to show you where to find this new material, okay? Let me promote my link real quick. joinsaveclub.org. That's the official link to join. Just click it anytime. You can get more information. You don't have to join yet, but if you do, go ahead and just fill out the information. You'll figure it out. It's super easy. Open up that Save Club email. Let's get you going. Okay, so joinsaveclub.org. Now, let me just go into the home page right there. I'm going to hit the word home. So when you saveclub.com, when you go there, you're going to log in. This is the page. You're going to go down to where it says My Websites. Okay, check this out. If you want to send this link to people, this just basically talks about the membership. For $19.97 a month, you can join. And eventually you're going to have millions of opportunities worldwide to save on products or services. Now, if you want to earn money as an affiliate, don't do this. This is just to be a member and enjoy savings. I recommend these pages. Now, they're called the Powerline landing pages. These are for affiliates. So when you pay the $60, that's all it costs, guys. There's no hidden cost. It's $60. You can use this page, this page, this page, or this page. And see the links right there? I think you can see it there. I highlighted it. If you want to look at all four, all you do is click each picture and watch each one. They're a couple minutes each. The one that I've signed up 103 people with is this one right here. saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. Now, if you've already joined, you know that the last words right there, see on the /, let's say your name is Bob Thomas. Okay, or you could have dynamic savings. Whatever your business is or whatever your username is, it's always right there. Boom, right before the last /. So this video is called saveclubtour.com. If you like this video, saveclubsplash.com. If you like this video, saveclubsplash.com. And you can see it just has a couple things added. So what you'll do is just, boom, you'll send people that exact link. And then here's the fourth one. You can see instead of it says page 3, it just says page 4. This one's really good. I recommend page 3 and this first one. I've signed up, like I said, a lot of people with the saveclubtour.com. And I just call it number 1 because see where it says Powerline landing pages? See 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch all 4, but all I can do is tell you that I've signed up 103 by using just the first one here. And then, in my opinion, the second best one, which I'm going to start sending a lot of people to today, is the page 3. I just like the flow of it, and I like the colors, but this is just my personal opinion. You might like all 4 and just kind of rotate them each week. See how many people you sign up using this one. Or number 2, number 3, number 4. But I love when we get new content. And this is all built into the $60. So for the next 12 months, guys, you don't have to pay for splash pages or capture pages. or build the website. The website's 100% maintained. You're not going to find a better website than saveclub.com's own website. You can see your membership is right here. You can join by the month or the year. If you join by the year, you're VIP status and you make bigger commissions. That's what I did because I want to make more money based on the same effort. So why not make more money? My deals, this is where you go in and search all over planet Earth to see what you can save money on, especially on things you're already buying. Your info, click that link and just make sure it's accurate. Order history, that's just, right now my order history, I first signed up for 1 month, then I upgraded for the year, but it just shows you what you've purchased. My team, I got a big ass team already. And it's exciting. When I click here, it has the personal information of my team. My referrals, same thing. People that pre-enroll or people that join. It's just nice to have access to, most of the time I just, once a day, I email my downline and I give them information or maybe a video. Or like this video right now, hey guys, there's brand new pages that you can send people to. There's 4 now instead of 1. My enroller, that's who I signed up underneath. Leaderboard. I'm excited. Look, I'm number 7. Yeah, right there. Look, right there. I'm number 7 in the world. Can you believe that? A good old rock and roll dude like me, kicking butt. But I think I'm successful because I keep things simple. That's all. I don't overcomplicate this. I just invite people to my link, and then I let the videos, and there's customer service support at saveclub.com. I just keep things simple. Here's my earnings. You can see how much money you're earning per week, and contact us if you have any questions, mostly technical, not marketing. But if you want to know how to pay with Bitcoin or with, of course, your bank or debit card, or if you have a question about your website, just go to support@saveclub.com. Okay. Now, let's see. You can log out, of course. You just hit that if you want to log out. And then when you go down to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom left of your screen, I'm using a home computer right now. See where it says pay plan? You can always just click it to see how we get paid. And then privacy policy, policies, and refund policy. Click all that too. It's good to know how we operate. And then this is a live counter. And you can see right now, look at this. It's about, God, I think it's it's a little afternoon here in Salt Lake City. And you can see all the people. Look, that country, look at all these people. And they sign up almost every, look at that, 6 seconds. Look, they signed up 2 minutes. Look, there's about 15 seconds. But look at that, just about every minute, someone from around the world. And right now, this minute obviously is a lot of America. But guys, we're all over the world. You can see when we go to this page, leaderboard. Look, we got America, the UK. Look, there's Japan. That's Costa Rica, I think. Look, there's Japan. I don't even know what that country is. I have to look it up. It almost looks like the American flag, but I don't know a lot of flags. Oh, there's Canada. But look at how many countries. Isn't that awesome? I don't even know what these countries are. Is that Denmark or Sweden? Oh, but it's exciting. I love having a worldwide business. And the cool thing about this opportunity is you make money when you're sleeping. Okay, this isn't 9 to 5. This isn't something that you only get paid when you're on the clock. This is nice. Just take our content, take our videos, take our pictures and upload them. You're on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok anyway. Just go ahead and use our content and upload it, and just make sure, go to this, if you're interested, go to this link. Okay, like what I'm going to do right now. Guys, if you're interested in joining Save Club, go to that link right there on your screen. joinsaveclub.org. It's also right below the video here. So if this is a YouTube video you're watching, I have the link to it right below the video. And if you're stuck and you don't know what the heck to do, check out the saveclubfunnels.com, please. Even if you're already signed up in Save Club, you don't have to sign up underneath me, but I offer our team with the Save Club Funnels. Just remember the S there, saveclubfunnels.com. It's only $25. And boy, is it effective to send people to a 20-minute video that does all the explaining for you. You do not have to sit there and go, God, here's the comp plan, and here's how to save, and oh, wait, it's $19.97 a month to belong to the membership, and oh, it's $60 to be an affiliate. Let the video do everything. Plus, the funnel video, it's greater detail. It shows how you can just go in a restaurant, excuse me, go in a restaurant, clear your throat and say, yes, I'd like this, I'd like that. And then that deal is on your cell phone. You can just draw it up on saveclub.com, and that deal is going to be right on your phone, and they can scan it, or you can read the information off your phone and save money right there. I did that at Discount Tire, Purple Mattress. You can Lyft if you need a ride to the airport. Let's see, what else? I did 2 car washes, and then I go to Burger King now and then by accident. There's even Taco Time in there. I love Taco Time tacos. Guys, we're talking about 60,000 deals right now just in America. And boy, I'll tell you what, the next 3, 6, 9 months, we're going to have millions of deals in every city, every state, and every country. And all you got to do is have your cell phone or your home computer or laptop. Just get it fired up and save money on things you're already buying. And you might see some savings in the back office of things that maybe you're not going to buy, like a patio set, furniture set, maybe plants. And guess what? Gasoline and diesel. I own a bunch of vehicles and motorcycles, and man, I love to ride and drive around these beautiful mountains where I live. And one of my biggest costs each month, besides food and mortgage, rent, is definitely gasoline and diesel. Let's just say fuel, okay? Yes, fuel savings, gas savings. That alone is worth the $19.97 a month. My personal experience, my first 45 days, I saved $900. I've made about $1,000 a week, cash income, just by signing people up and keeping it simple. And guess what? With that funnel system right here, everyone that signs up, the company pays me $20. And right now I've got about $1,100 to $1,200 cash coming to me every month, and it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And that is income aside from Save Club. So very exciting. I want you to look into the 2 links that are on my screen right now. And when you join, I'm going to send you an email of exactly everything I do, and I want you to get aboard our team. You need to belong to a team, a powerful team, a winning team, a team that dominates the leaderboard, a team that gives you a ton of free pictures and free videos. And when I mean free, you got to be $60, do the 60 to be an affiliate, and then after that, there's no other costs. We're going to provide that for you, but you need to be a part of a team or a group. I know you're going to get tired or burned out or frustrated. You need to be able to ask questions to people, and you don't feel guilty about it. You don't say, gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry to bug you, but how do you do this? Don't worry about that. We realize that when you have a group or an affiliate opportunity like this, if I sign up a bunch of people, but no one knows how to duplicate, well, I might as well just go get a job, a normal job that doesn't have a matrix or a multi-level pay situation. I'm good at working. I love working. I'll never retire. I'll be 90 years old and hopefully working. I'm not looking to retire. I enjoy doing this thing, especially this type of business. This is fun. This online thing is kind of cool, especially when you get paid. Okay. But don't worry about being left adrift. You're not going to be out in the ocean and run out of gas and let the ocean or the tides kind of make you drift here and there. That ain't going to happen. You need to join a team or a group. Okay. So there's the links right there. 13 minutes. Boy, my videos, gosh, I can't believe how fast time goes by, but I appreciate your time big time. And Cory at CoryDraper.com, that is my email address. I've had it for almost 40 years now. I think I got it in 1992 or something, but anyway, time hauls ass, doesn't it? Okay, what do we do? Click those links, watch those videos. After you join, I'll send you a nice email, and subscribe, boom, to my YouTube channels. And right around now, I have little videos that kind of surround my face so you can watch some more, okay? Thanks for your time, guys. Talk to you later. I hope you join right now. Thanks.